Hi and welcome to Whimsy Stamps product reveal. Today I am sharing the Slimline Embossing Folder called Holly. Here is the embossing folder and the amazing pattern you will get when you use this folder. Once embossed, your image will be 8 3/4 by 3.5 inches. I went ahead and used this embossing folder with some beautiful green cardstock, and you can see that amazing design. I think it's going to be great on backgrounds for our Christmas slimline cards this season. I've used this embossing design as a background for my slimline card. You can use the links down below to check out this new embossing folder as well as all the other new products revealed today. You can also see a list of Whimsy supplies that I used to create this card. Make sure you also head over to our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group for even more inspiration for this release. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you have fun shopping. Bye!